I tried gluing my invisible strap wig front to back and this happened. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this. OMG, her hair has you covered with their new Legos hairline. We're going to get right into the details. All the specs for this wig will be below in the description box. Be sure to open the description box. You'll find links, discounts, and also you will find a subscribe and like button down there. Go ahead and click those while you're there. So this is the wig we're working with today. It is a beautiful wavy texture. It has the invisible strap in it, and this is the most important step when it comes to gluing down your wig in the back. Of course, with this you can wear this glueless. You do not need to glue it down. That's what the invisible strap is for, to give you that security back there that lays flat without having to glue it down. However, if you want to go a step further like me today and get a full front to back install, then I'm going to show you how to do that with this wig and how convenient it is because of these little bitty straps that they add in there. This is their naturally shaped hairline. See, this one comes down a little bit further. What the shape looks like of the hairline for their wig. And this is for anyone who may have a lower hairline. Sometimes when you go to put on a wig, your hairline is still showing. So this one comes down a little bit further for those ladies. Do not worry, by the time we get finished with this video, I promise you guys, everything is going to look very natural. But straight out the box, this is what we are working with. Again, my name is Marie. Welcome back to the channel. We are still on our curly marathon, but today we're going to do a full install from front to back, since this is a 360 invisible strap. So I will put all the specs for the wig in the description box. While you are down there checking out the specs, just click that subscribe button, like the video, also share it. Hairline looks like for this wig straight out the box. The waves are super gorgeous. I like this a lot. I probably won't wet this down today. I feel like straight out the box it just looks good, so we're just going to style it, probably touch it up a little bit. Let's get into today's install. So the first thing you want to do when installing the back, you want to make sure the hair in the back is pushed up in a way just like you would the front. Just make sure it lays flat. It's not a lot of hair going on there. As you can see, that invisible strap is there. I'm pretty sure once we press it to the skin, it's not going to show. Now, if you want to go glueless, all you would have to do is just pull the string. I have so many videos of invisible straps. I'm pretty sure by now y'all know how to work the invisible strap. Next, you want to get you some scissors and you want to remove all of this extra lace. Cut it to the invisible strap without cutting the invisible strap. Just follow that natural hairline. One thing I do notice is that they did bleach the knots in the back. Like, I've never seen the knots so small and well bleached in the back of a wig, and this looks really good. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I can definitely tell. Now, before you get to doing anything, you want to remove this band out of the wig. This is for if you want to wear it glueless. Today we're going to use tape and we're going to use spray. So what I'm going to be using for today's install is the lace melt glue spray and also the lace melting spray. Now, these are temporary holds, so if you want something to last longer, I would suggest the My Sticky Little Secret glue. I will put the link in the description box for you guys, but this is what I'm going to be using today just for a temporary hold. I'm also going to combine it with the tape that they provided in the box. You're going to need an edge band, and they did provide one. And of course, you can have your wig cap on if you would like to. You can see for yourself that that lace is super clear. So there is no need for me to tint this lace. It's the type of lace that you don't need to tint. With Swiss lace and HD lace, as you can see, there's no color to it. It should never be a color to it. If your wigs are not a natural black, they don't use this type of lace because it is stainable. It will stain, so you might get the lace that has the more whitish tint. I'm gonna cut around the ear. It should fit around the ear perfectly once you get it cut. Next, we're going to cut back the hairline. Just follow the natural shape. If you want to cut it back more here, just go in like a V type of slant, and you can get rid of a little bit of that. Come so far down on your head, like so. We're going to take the tape and we're going to apply a piece here, a piece here, a piece here, and a piece here. Okay, so actually I decided just to only put the tape where the hairline comes down. So you can see exactly where I placed it. You want to make sure there's no pulling. I kind of lift up the hair a bit before I place it. You also want to get rid of any strands that may be there that you cut away. Make sure it's lined up, because once you set it down, you don't want to have to disturb it. And the reason I placed the tape along with this method is because I'm not using wig glue, and I know that if I sweat, it's a possibility that these sprays alone will loosen up. So I want to have that extra security there. It doesn't happen, but like I said, if you plan on wearing your wig for a longer term, then go with the wig glue. I'm gonna go ahead and just pull this up now and clip it, all the hair, clip it at the top of my head. All right, so this is what the back looked like without me gluing it down at all. As you can see, it looks really good. Now my hairline does come down further, so I have to stretch this down. I normally never glue down the back for the reasons of me sweating. So this is just for video purposes, to teach you all something, mostly because for me it never holds because I'm a heavy sweater for my head. So I usually just go with the invisible strap by itself, tuck that comb, and as you can see, it looks good. But if you need to glue your wig, this is how we're gonna do it. You could either use the lace glue back here. I'm not going to, but this is a really good product to use. It will be in the description box along with this wig. But if you want a temporary, you can use the lace glue spray. This is very sticky. Now the great thing about the invisible strap compared to any other full lace wig, most full lace wigs and regular 360 lace wig have that thick strap in the back, so you cannot do this. So if you have the invisible strap, you can wear it without glue, pull the straps, or you can glue it down. Just make sure you are cleaning the glue off of the straps without popping them. But if you do make a mistake and pop it, I do have a video on how to fix your invisible strap. You can check my playlist by clicking my name on my channel, and you'll see a whole lot of helpful videos. I'll begin spraying this. Starting here. Cool air just to keep it from running. Spray it on around like so. Okay, now this is the lace glue, okay? It's not the melting spray. Getting really sticky. I'm gonna do the same thing in the back. Let's spray it. Keep it from running, and then I'm gonna press it down. You can also use tape in the back if you like. It's just up to you. And again, I'm using cool air. Let me make sure. I did see. Let me make sure it's right. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wanna make sure the lace is in that product. And I'm gonna take my edge band, and we're gonna tie this down for at least 15 minutes, maybe 20. Just press it on down. And make sure the back is also pressed completely. Smooth down. Okay, so it should look like this. And we're gonna let that sit. I'm gonna really let it sit. This product is really sticky compared to the melting spray from my Sticky Little Secret. So if you are used to working with this, make sure you just understand you're gonna be sticky. I just want to throw this out there because there's a lot of things to factor in when it comes to gluing down the back for me that makes a huge difference, because I have a lot of invisible strap wigs. I've dealt with them, and not all the time you see me pull them up. To me, it's not just up to like what my skills are, it's up to how the wig is constructed in the back. If there's, and I've said this so many times, if there's too much hair back there, if it's huge knots, anything like that, it's not going to lay right. It's not going to look natural. This company came prepared with the back already bleached, the invisible strap, slightly nice plucked, pre-plucked hairline back there. So it looks amazing by itself. So it's easier to, you know, work with. And I'm not a person to glue down my wig in the back at all. So for this kind of to be like my first time, it don't feel like it was a hassle at all. Those are things to factor in when it comes to doing an install like this all the way around. But yeah, we're gonna let this sit, and then we'll be back to see the results. All right, let's take a look and see what it is right now. All right, just gonna peel this off slow. Make sure you, oh, okay, just peel it off slow because this product, like I said, is very sticky, but that look good, y'all. Look, do it look good? I can't really tell 100%. What you guys think? I'm not going to combine their melting spray with this because I have tried it and their melting spray is just as sticky, and I think I have enough stickiness going on right now. I love this. Okay, let's touch this a little bit. Some hair mousse and just smooth everything down. Very simple. So this is what it's looking like. Now, if you wanted to soften up the hairline a little bit, I'm gonna go in with a bit of my foundation powder and just touch this area to make everything blend. As you can see, it helps a lot just to do the bare minimum. Just a little bit of powder that matches your skin complexion on that hairline really helps it. And this is the style. Did their thing with this. So pretty. Looks really good. I will put all the specs in the description box for you guys. Be sure to open up that description box to see everything you need, including discounts. But I am happy with how this looks. It looks so You can let me know in the comment section what you think about today's style. Would you wear it? Or you can part this hair wherever you want to. That's what the parting looks like. Looks really, really, but you can also just pull it up. Let's just do a high ponytail right quick. Look at this, y'all. Okay. That's what it looks like. Look at that. Because this is nice the way they did their hairline. Like, look at that. Again, this wig will be linked below in the description box for you guys. Be sure to check down there. Thank you guys so much for joining me back. Please like the video, share it, subscribe. See you all back. Take a moment to like the video, subscribe, and also be sure to turn on that bell for notifications. To catch up on more content from me, be sure to click my name and you will be taken to my channel where you can find a lot of helpful videos for hairstyling tips and tricks. And also you can find more content that you might have missed over on my channel.